Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Useful DIY, and this is hosted by Momdaz Life Handmade and Regal Designs by Sushena. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So I'm planning to make this cardboard box into something useful, meaning I'm going to convert this into a home and then also trying to create this as a lantern home. Basically, I'm going to put some light in the back of the house and I'm going to decorate the house with some kind of a scenery around it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result, you guys. I'm so excited about this project, and this is one of the cardboard box converted into a winter home. Yeah, that's what I want to call it as. So I just, as you saw the process, I just painted white in front of the house, and using the one of the styrofoam plates, I just created the windows and doors effect like that, and I stuck one of the wax paper. So I just gave it near the windows and the doors to just give like a glass effect to it. And I wanted to call this as an home lantern, and I also gave one stripe on the top of the house, and this ribbon, the buffalo check ribbon with the two of those frosted leaves, and I gave it like a bow. And yeah, I just stuck some Epsom salt to give the snow effect on top of the door, and I laid one more cardboard piece and actually had like floral moss around the house. Oh, and I forgot, this is actually a layer in between the cardboard that you have like a small, texture to it, and I just painted white, and then I stuck Epsom salt, and the same I did for the side of the house, just to give like a the home that has like snow covered everywhere. And I just stuck one of the tea light in the back of the house, and then I lit it up, so it just gives the look like it's in the evening where the lights are lit up in the house. And yeah, this is what I want to create with something that I throw it out.